might be a culture shock to suggest to this REC that if we are serious about fighting crime in Ward 67, we have no option. But those that are properly documented with proper documents can be recruited to the Johannesburg Metropolis Department.
Yiwo lamazwi adonsele amanzi ngomsele uDada Morero oyimeya yaseGoli. Abantu bakuleli bamgxeka kakhulu. Izolo engqungqutheleni yeligudla ebibanjelwe eGoli, uMorero uphakamise ukuthi kuqashwe abantu bokufika emaphoyiseni omkhandlu ngoba ethi amaphoyisa akuleli awakwazi ukukhuluma ulwimi lwabantu bokufika abasuke benze ubugebengu. Kodwa ke usexolisile ngalesi siphakamiso.
I have come to the conclusion that my suggestion was not consistent with the policies of the ANC and policies of government. I therefore unconditionally withdraw my proposal and apologize for the anxiety it might have caused to the residents of Johannesburg and the people of South Africa as a whole.
Amaqembu ombusazwe okhona kuwo iAction SA neEFF asigxekile isiphakamiso sikaMorero.